everybody else out. So it'd be nice to see if he's made any improvements from this morning, to see like the difference between then and now. The hydro is still fine from yesterday when we fitted it. Kettle boiled? That's a bit loud. So that's fine. The fire extinguisher, which I fitted yesterday, down here, still going well. Obviously my handiwork has paid off. So we're going out on, well, for me, my second go. Are you enjoying it so far? Yeah. Yeah? Definitely worth doing?
Fuck yeah. Last minute work.
Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Have you been doing the lucky pack? Well, for me, I just want to see if it's any different to how he was at the beginning. We should probably get our helmets on, because we're like right at the front of the queue. Back with the helmets on. You probably can't even hear me now though, that was the thing.
I probably can't.
So we've just come back. I definitely think he feels an awful lot faster, and every transition is a lot smoother. So well done.
That's
you.
still quite smooth, yeah.
Yeah, you seem to have so much more confidence.
That was the smoothest one.
So he's doing super well. He's just gone to go check his tyres. I don't know where he's gone. You might be able to see him. But yeah, he's really improved. One more before boldness. Boldness. Well done. Even a Civic has come to join us. There's some drink for me. A bit too close to my liking.
don't hit my car!
Please, I beg you. We are wrecking the car. Oh, Sammy, you are wrecking the car. Shut up.
We noticed from when Sam was drifting that he's doing pretty well of like transitioning, and everything's been really smooth, and he's gone a lot faster since the beginning, so that's great. The only thing we've noticed that he doesn't go too wide, but we've said that to him, and he's taken it on board pretty well, and he's got extremely close now to the wall, which is crazy how he can take stuff on board so quickly. So
then I pop the trunk. Grew up motherfucking robbers, always kept a mask on. Motherfuckers gon' die if we keep the mask off. Suicide when I ride, bitch. Scarecrow, fucking shadow. Hoes up with no piano. Kill when I'm sleepy hollow. That mystic motherfucker, that's a thing in the prescriptions. Xanax for the panic, mental problems you get addict. Multi-million home business, you just signed a deal, bruh. 3 years past, still broken, you ain't paid up. Dollars I ain't touched yet, burn it for the fuck of it. If I mess, gonna take you just so big. Cut the wood to death, with straight. When the savage live straight out the death, then to keep my life the triple six.
So overall, Sam's drifting day was really, really great. He learned to sort of go out a little bit wider around the track. Also, his confidence levels have majorly grown, so I'm really, really proud of him. And then on his last couple of goes, he was able to just go and just from one corner to the next smoothly transition, which was really, really good to watch, and it was just nice to see him in the car sort of enjoying himself, which is what he wanted to do from the beginning. So hopefully this will well, definitely this will encourage him to do a few more drift days in the future. So that'd be really good to sort of see his progress over time. That's why I really wanted to film a video like over the year, so in 2020, to see his progression through doing the drift days and to see how he goes. But he seems to be picking up tips and pointers and things really, really easily. So if someone says to him, oh, I think you should do that, he picks up so easily. So hopefully this will just sort of keep going. Right guys, we're off home. We've had a really good day at the drift day. There are people still drifting in the background, but yeah.
See ya.
Bye. So we're leaving Rockingham now. We've finished the, well, kind of
We
finished. You finished.
Yeah, I'll finish.
The car's finished. I don't know.
That's that one. The car's finished.
The car's finished. So when Sam was doing his last drift with somebody else in the car, the oil light came on, so he sort of waited in the middle. Hopefully it's
Left us.
yeah. Hopefully it's left us. Hopefully it's not too bad. That's what I was going to say.
It's not the bottom end, because it doesn't go back when you like when you're revving, it doesn't go back when you let off.
Okay.
And when you boot it, it's just more, it's the top end. You can hear it in the top.
Okay. Are you?
I don't know if you
Yeah.
don't know.
I don't know. Hang on.
Well, you can. Hopefully it's
Yeah.
lifters.
I don't know if anyone heard that, but if you could hear that, that's what it sounds like now. So I'm kind of glad it didn't happen this morning. So I don't know what we're going to do. Hopefully, I think you're going to take it to work on Monday. Hopefully they'll.
So we check. We
Yeah.
haven't got a lot in, so.
No, so hopefully you can get it sorted at work. If not, we'll have
Yours
to.
is broke.
So my BM's also broke, but that's a different story. So yeah, my BM's broke, Sam's BM's half broke. His other Civic's got no insurance, but we can put that on there, that's fine. So the only one living strong is the egg.
And it's got there's one guy, it's got two different headlights.
Oh yeah, and we test fit the Dengies the other day, so technically not even the egg. We've got no car, so we're screwed. Everything's ruined, Sam. But yeah, just thought I'd end the video. I did have an alternative ending. Yeah, I did have an alternative ending because I didn't think Sam wanted me to put this in, but I thought we'd just, yeah, I thought we'd just put it in. There's no point like making it all nice and pretty. You might
few moments later.
So the car is currently broken down. It cut out as we were driving.
Yeah, it just died.
So
I didn't even notice that. I lost power steering. I was like, oh no. I was exhausted.
I'm not too sure how we're going to get home. Probably someone's going to tow us, so we'll see what happens.
Right now.
We're off.
Easy, Tiger.
So we've just been towed back all the way from Corby to the farm. Literally the breakdown gang at the farm. We're having to get the Civic and then park the Beamer up. Hopefully we're gonna compression test it tomorrow and see what's wrong. Worst thing comes to worst, we'll just have to leave it here and then get a new engine, just do it like we did last winter.
Needing a couple of days of editing. While your engine fucking will be edited.
Needs a couple of days to cry.
Are you sure?
It won't go clink, clink, clink.
We're going to miss that.
I don't think.
I don't know. I don't know.
Under them wings.
Go on, Junior.
Good, Junior.
So, room from before. Good effort. So we've moved the Civic out of the farm. We're gonna drive home now and then come back to the farm in the morning. But for tonight, we're just gonna leave it because it's getting a bit late and we're freezing and we're knackered and yeah.